In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Mailchimp for creating and sending an email campaign. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp by visiting us19.admin.mailchimp.com. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, look for the Create button, which is prominently displayed. Clicking this will lead you to a variety of options that Mailchimp offers for creating content. Let's go ahead and select Design Email to begin crafting our new email campaign. With Design Email selected, you'll notice an array of templates to choose from. For this tutorial, let's keep things straightforward by choosing the Basic template. This template provides a clean slate, allowing you to customize it to your liking without overwhelming elements. After selecting the layout, click Apply to make this your working canvas. Now that the basic framework of your email is ready, it's time to personalize it with content blocks. Mailchimp's editor is user-friendly, letting you drag and drop different content types, such as text, images, and buttons into your email. Take your time to explore these options and choose the blocks that best fit your message. For this demonstration, we'll opt to include an image. To do so, click on Add Image. You will see a choice between uploading a new image from your device or choosing from stock images. Let's choose stock images, which offers a wide variety of high-quality visuals without needing external sources. Once you find a photo that fits your content, give it a click to make your selection. With your desired image selected, proceed by clicking on Insert. This action places the image into your email, allowing you to resize and position it as necessary within your layout. Take a moment to adjust it to complement the surrounding content. As you're building your email, reviewing each element is crucial to ensure it aligns with your objectives and brand style. Once satisfied with the selection and arrangement of content blocks, save your work by clicking on Save and Exit. This step secures your progress so you can revisit and tweak the design if needed. Before sending out your email, it's a smart practice to double check everything. Ensure all links are working, images are correctly displayed, and there are no typos. These small actions can make a big difference in the professionalism of your email. Finally, with everything polished and ready to go, the last step is to send out your email. Click Send, and your carefully crafted message will be on its way to your audience. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created and sent an email campaign using Mailchimp. I hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to reach as many people effectively with your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing what you create.